It is a subject matter of CBI investigation. Why should I comment? I do not know what you are saying is correct.
Mr. Bhutta Singh, the CBI says many of the calls were made from your landline in Delhi.
Well, you are putting so many things in the mouth of the CBI. You have so many media people have said he was caught red-handed. It is absolutely false.
It is also recorded, Mr. Bhutta Singh, you can deny it. It is also recorded your son met Ram Rao at your house. There is evidence the CBI has to prove that.
It is absolutely false. I don't say white lie, but nothing can be more untrue than this.
Your son has also told the investigators in this case, Mr. Bhutta Singh, which we presume is the CBI, that I don't want anyone else dragged into it. He's probably coming out to defend you in a way.
Well, I don't claim anything for my son or CBI. Now he is before the court, let us see.
But Mr. Bhutta Singh, the evidence is that the deal was struck for paying the bribe. In the process of paying the bribe, misusing the office of a public person, presumably you, and this gentleman were asked to come to Delhi. There is evidence to that effect the investigating agency has.
Well, you are putting certain things which I am not aware of.
You may not be aware, but why are you making it political? Why aren't you saying, let my son be investigated, let him face the law?
I don't know, perhaps you do not understand my stand. My stand is that I am being attacked because I have exposed the biggest mafia of Maharashtra, and to punish me, my children are being involved.
Who is using the CBI against you?
When my commission recommended that the CBI should be brought in and the inquiry should be given, much before, even in the investigation meeting, I said, nobody moved it. But an accused goes to the CBI, makes a false application, and the whole CBI moves to Delhi. What else can I say?
No, but Mr. Bhutta Singh, why should we not presume?
Do you believe anywhere in India where an accused can bring the CBI? In this case, the accused has brought the CBI. What should I say on that?
No, but why should, no, one second. Mr. Bhutta Singh, why should people not presume that you have filed the case on the one side, using your position, and your son is cutting a deal, taking a bribe to get the case squashed? That is the real story. Why can't, that seems to be from the evidence, the case.
Well, I am not fighting his case. His case will be fought by the liars. I am upholding my commission's decision.
No, let me repeat myself, Mr. Bhutta Singh. Why should people not believe that you have filed the case, your son takes a bribe to get the case taken back? You know, it's all nepotism within the family.
No, case was decided much earlier. The case was decided in the second week of July, and he's been arrested now.
Mr. Bhutta Singh, there is also the Hawala angle that is being investigated in this. There is a strong Hawala angle being investigated.
Well, so many angles, let the court look into it.
Now, are you basically, Mr. Bhutta, I am just not getting the gist of your argument. Are you simply saying I am above board? I hold a constitutional post, I am above board, don't question me, don't question my son. Is that what you're saying?
No, I'm not saying nobody is above board. In this country, law is supreme.
But Mr. Bhutta Singh, Sweety, that is this Sweety Singh, your son, is only your son. He has no other post with which he can influence the course of the proceedings of the SC/ST Commission, besides misusing his link with you as your son.
That's what I'm saying. Why have they involved him? Simply because to oppose me, to finish my political career.
Mr. Bhutta Singh, why don't you resign? You hold a position equivalent to the cabinet minister's position. If you stay on, the government will be embarrassed further. You know that, Mr. Bhutta Singh, after so many years in government.
Not at all. I have already briefed the Honorable Prime Minister. I am going to give him the facts available with me.
No, but don't you think, I mean, if there is morality and, you know, if there is any moral pressure to exert on yourself, then in this particular case, you are guilty till you're proven innocent. And if you're holding a constitutional position, you must believe in that.
Well, I told you, I am upholding the constitution. I am not sitting in a temple or a gurdwara. My moral is much better than so many people who are asking such questions.
Now, if a piece of paper comes out, now let me be specific, if a piece of paper comes out which proves that your phone was used to make a call to this person who is an accused and being investigated by your commission, or if a piece of paper is brought out which shows there was a meeting in your house with a person who is accused, with your son being the middleman, will you resign then?
The newspapers and the piece of paper may be a Bible for you or some people. For me, it is, I know how the media plays, and I don't trust fully. I trust only the facts.
Mr. Bhutta Singh, the middleman in this case is a Congress person by the name of Anup Bedi. He has links with the Congress party. I am asking you directly, do you or your son know this man? Do you know Anup Bedi?
No, I know myself because he's been attached with me for a long time in political life. I know him. He's a frequent visitor to my house. So they have used that link man to involve my son in it.
Then precisely there has to be some link. There has to be some link. It's your son, you know him, of course. Anup Bedi, Congress worker, you know him, of course. And there's you, so obviously it's all, within the family, as it were.
It has to be looked into by the CBI and the court.
Now, do you rule out the possibility? Let me phrase that. Do you rule out the possibility of this man, Anup Bedi, or your son misusing your name? Because to everything I'm asking, you're just giving a blanket denial.
Well, I can't stop anybody, but my son has not used it.
No, so you're willing to say that Bedi may be wrong, in the wrong, that he may have taken a bribe, but not your son.
I can't pronounce judgment. Let it be decided by the court.
Now, are you responding to all this, Mr. Bhutta Singh? Are you, at the end of the day, responding to all this as a father rather than as a son holding a constitutional position?
I am sure my son has not played any role in it, and some people have written he was caught red-handed. Where? With what? Who made his hands red? It's all humbug, false, absolutely false to malign me.
No, tell me, be specific. Who is using the CBI against you? Who is using the CBI against you?
Maybe, I don't know. Some political party.
Which political party is trying to fix you, Mr. Bhutta Singh? Please be specific with me. You're an independent.
I do not name any political party.
But your son was caught accepting 1 crore rupees, Mr. Bhutta Singh. It's a big charge. This is a big scam. If there is even a single iota ounce of truth in this, this is a big scam.
My dear sir, you are a respected person. I say on oath, my son has not accepted a paisa from anybody.
Mr. Bhutta Singh, your party, you're an independent, of course, but your party you've been with for so many years, the Congress party, the ruling party in government, is not standing with you.
What difference does it make?
Are you saying it doesn't make any difference to you whether the Congress party, which is the ruling party in the ruling coalition, of which you hold a position which has cabinet minister rank, what stand they take has no relevance to you?
No, when I am doing something right, the duty that has been given to me by my leader, I am upholding that, I am doing right thing.
Well, Mr. Bhutta Singh, I'm going to have to wrap it up at this point. Let our viewers decide which way they want to believe on this story, where this case is going to go. But surely this case is going to be watched, and so will your actions. Mr. Bhutta Singh, thanks very much.